So, hey guys, it's me, Zachary. I'm here with the brand new Brave Wilderness Adventure Kit. And thank you for giving us all those views in the last unboxing video. We really appreciate it. And so keep watching our videos and so I guess let's unbox it now, right, Daddy?
Sounds good.
So, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay. So this is the Brave Wilderness Adventure Kit, reptiles and amphibians, and this shows us all the stuff that's in the box. So I'll put that back in, and let's see what we have in here. So this is the Coyote Peterson green bandana. Now, can't open it. It's just... Okay, there we go. No. So, it's basically just a green bandana.
What's on it?
See, we got spiders and snakes and scorpions and bullet ants.
Pretty cool.
So let's fold that back up and put it in.
You just set that to the side.
Yep. So next we have, it's one of the figures. It's a common snapping turtle.
Catches a lot of those, doesn't he?
Yeah. Well, let's put it back in the box. We have another toy. This one's a granular poison dart frog.
Why don't you show it so everybody can see it?
Okay. Well, so this, we have a field journal, a pencil sharpener, and a pencil that says, "Be brave, stay wild."
Right. That's a different color than the last one, huh?
Yep. So we have a common snapping turtle. Let's see what this is. Sticker. And then we have a common snapping turtle patch. And we, like always, hold on.
What's that big rolled up thing?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
It is a reptiles and amphibians poster. So, yeah, that's what it is. And I'm just going to go ahead and take it out to show you guys. Open up the poster here for you guys. Let's see. Whoa.
Wow.
So we got an alligator, a little lizard, the lace monitor, a big common snapping turtle, there's a dart frog, another lizard, a frog, looks like a red-eyed tree frog, I think it's a diamondback rattlesnake, got a horned lizard, granular poison dart frog, looks like a tortoise, Galapagos tortoise, got some other turtles and lizards, and ooh, we got a sea turtle, and a glass frog and a toad, but let's go ahead and roll this back up.
Oh, we'll have to hang that up in your room.
Yep. Remember we have the, okay, so let's put it to the side too, and last but not least, we have the Coyote trading cards. I'm going to open this first pack here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now. see what we have. This one is a sockeye salmon, a burrowing owl, a Gila monster, an Alaska moose, and we got the checklist. Okay, so next we have the praying mantis, giant desert centipede, common snapping turtle, and the eyelash viper. So, guys, that is everything in the the Brave Wilderness Adventure Kit, the new one. So, yeah, I guess that's it for today. So, be brave, stay wild, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Thanks, everybody. Please give a thumbs up if you like Zachary's videos, or subscribe. See you next time.